Did you know that the average chocolate bar takes a whole year's work from a cacao tree to produce? It's a surprising fact, showcasing the immense effort behind every morsel of chocolate. That's right, your favorite sweet treat has a year's worth of dedication poured into it. But what's the science behind this delicious indulgence? Our journey starts with the Theobroma cacao tree, a tree native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. These trees yield pods filled with cacao beans, our chocolate's humble beginnings. Harvesting these beans is an art, as is the process that follows. Fermentation. This is where the magic happens. Over several days, the beans, wrapped in banana leaves, undergo a natural transformation, their flavors deepening and richening. So the secret to that irresistible chocolate flavor, it's all in the fermentation. Now, we've got our fermented cacao beans, but how do they transform into a chocolate bar? You see, it all begins with drying. Laid out under the sun, the beans lose their moisture and develop a rich, earthy flavor. Next, they're off to be roasted. This step is crucial, as it's here that the familiar chocolatey scent starts to emerge. The beans are then cracked open to reveal the nibs, the heart of the cacao, which are ground into a paste. This grinding process releases the cocoa butter, giving us that velvety texture we adore. Each step from drying to grinding contributes to the unique taste and texture of the final product. Roasting and grinding, those are the stages that turn a cacao bean into the silky smooth chocolate we all love. But wait, there's one last scientific secret to the perfect chocolate bar. It's called tempering. This process involves carefully controlling the temperature of the chocolate as it cools. It's a delicate dance that aligns the chocolate crystals, giving our bar that glossy finish and that satisfying snap when you break it. This isn't just cooking, it's chemistry. So there you have it, the science behind your favorite chocolate bar. It's a year-long journey from tree to treat, filled with fascinating science at every step.